is for zebra. Tap the cars with the correct letters. Zebra. U. U is for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. X. The letter X. The letter X. Y. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. W. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. P. P is for pumpkin. Pumpkin. R. R is for radish. Tap the cars with the correct letters. Radish. V. V. Violin. U. U. Ugly fruit. X. The letter X. Y. Yogurt. W. Watermelon. P. P is for pumpkin. Tap the cars with the correct letters. Pumpkin. Z. Zebra. N. Nectarine. D. Donut. I. Ice cream. K. K. Kiwi.